So good evening, everybody. Honorable Chief Guest for the valedictory session, Shri Vinod Malhotra ji, our guest of honor, Shri Radheshyam Pradhan ji, our esteemed guests, Shri Dr. Ram Singh ji, Dr. Pushpendra ji, faculty colleagues, paper presenters, and participants and attendees from across the country. We can see that we had the paper from Bangalore and other southern part and northern part. So it was good to see that we had got the paper from across the country. It's my privilege to welcome you to this last session, valedictory session of the conference, international conference on reimagining business and reskilling workforce in the digital ecosystem. We have seen that digitization has become part and parcel of life. We all have to live with, in fact, we are living knowingly or unknowingly in a very digitally surrounded ecosystem. And we are trying to adjust with it with a choice, with excitement, and sometimes without any choice, we have to deal with it. So when it comes to looking at our mobile phone and using various apps, we are very excited. On the other hand, we don't know what all are being captured through our digital footprints and what is happening. We are conscious at the same time. We learned during the deliberation of the conference today that the coming time is going to be a race where machines and men are going to compete. And this competition has to be defined by the human being with their wisdom and rationality, because if they don't draw the line, machines may try to take over it. And if the machine takes it, maybe for wrong reasons. So we are entering into an age where machines are no more a choice. The way we are upgrading the machines, they are going to challenge us, and the only choice with us is to learn, to upgrade, and try to keep the things on a right track for a right purpose. Uh, in this entire emerging ecosystem, in this entire digital economy, if we could say, we are going to have the models which are changing. We have noted a lot of business models which are very different, very unique, and to deal with it, obviously we will require a different mindset. We will require a different skill set, and with the challenges posed by it, as the machines are going to work shoulder to the human being. They may be our bosses, they may be our colleagues, they may be our subordinates. We need to have a different set of emotional skills. We need to have a different set of uh, technical skills to remain our humanity, to remain our emotional and the human aspects intact, that makes the life enjoyable and more joyous. It should not become mechanized because of the influence of machine. We had a great presentations in the technical session. We have great discussion during the panel discussions, and we had a wonderful start during the inaugural session. We are so very grateful to each one of the delegates participants who graced the occasion and made it real worth. I'm sure that today's deliberation is a beginning. It is going to continue to force us to further explore and build on all the takeaways that we are going to take away from today's session and build on it. Hopefully, when we meet next year in the next international conference of Jayapura School of Business, we'll be able to bring a lot of advancement on the takeaways, and will make it much more richer for each one of us and for the business and society. I once again extend a very hearty and warm welcome to each one of you to this valedictory session, and thank you all for being part of it. Thank you very much.